Today we're looking at part number 235 80-14-Pl-BM-865. This is your ST235 80R16 Transporter Radial Trailer Tire mounted on the black modular wheel with the 8-on-6.5 bolt pattern. This tire is rated for 4,080 pounds per tire. It's a load range G, so it's a 14-ply. It's a steel belted radial tire with 110 PSI. And it has a N speed rating, meaning it's rated to go 87 miles per hour, which that's pretty much crazy for the trailer world. I mean, usually you see them in like an M speed rating, which is 81, but to see them in an N speed rating, that's unheard of for me. And it has this nice highway tread pattern design on it. A lot of people love it. Love that highway tread. Really popular. We have a great deal on these as well at trailerpartsunlimited.com. Or you can also just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, or give us a call to order them, 844-898-8687. We'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.